Sneeze hack revealed. Stopping a sneeze in seconds is as simple as pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth. That's right, this bizarre trick can actually hijack your body's sneeze reflex before it even starts. Sneezing isn't just about dust or allergies, it's a powerful reflex controlled by your brain's sneezing center. When you feel that telltale tingle, your body is gearing up to unleash an uncontrollable burst. But here's where things get wild. By firmly pressing your tongue up, you activate specific nerves in your mouth that send competing signals to your brain. This little move can override the sneeze reflex, leaving your nose suddenly calm. Forget scrambling for tissues or trying to stifle it with your hand. With this hack, you can walk into any situation sneeze-free, armed with a secret your friends definitely don't know.